It's 10 o'clock. Time for bed, kids.
But Mom, the movie is not finished.
No, Tom. School tomorrow. Go to bed now.
Okay. Good night, Mom.
Good night, son. Sleep well.
What is that sound? It's downstairs. Is someone in the house? I need to wake up Dad. Dad, wake up!
What is it, Tom?
I hear a strange sound. Downstairs. Someone is in the house.
Are you sure? Maybe it's the cat.
No, Dad. The cat is in my room. Please come.
Okay. Stay here with your mom. Don't come out.
Hey! Stop! Who are you?
I'm sorry! Don't move. I am calling the police right now.
Please don't call the police. Sit down. Don't touch anything.
Hello? Police? Please come to my house. There is a thief here.
What is your address?
It's 24 Maple Street.
Everything is ready. Someone will arrive shortly.
Thank you very much.
Good evening. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. The thief is here.
Stand up. What is your name?
My name is Jake. Jake, you are under arrest. He took my laptop and some money. Don't worry, sir. We have him now.
Tom, you were very brave last night.
I was scared, Mom. But I knew something was wrong.
You did the right thing. You woke me up. Good job, son.
Is our house safe now, Dad?
Yes. And tomorrow, we will put a new lock on the door.
And no more late-night movies!
Okay, Mom. I love you.
We love you too, Tom.
I built a mini McDonald's.
Phase 1 complete. It is my plan, Mom. I want to make a mini McDonald's.
A mini McDonald's? In our house?
In the garage. But please don't tell Dad. Shh.
Oh, Tom. Okay, but be careful.
We need bread, chicken, and cheese. What about French fries? Yes! We need potatoes too. And ketchup.
This is fun! Can I help you?
Yes, you are my helper.
Where do I put this?
Put it on the table. That is our counter.
Ooh, it looks like a real restaurant.
Now we cook the chicken. Do you know how?
No, I don't. Can you show me?
Sure. First, we wash our hands.
Yes!
I'm home! Do I smell food?
Maybe. Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry. Where is Tom?
He is in the garage.
The garage? What is he doing there?
Go and see.
Welcome to Tom's McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Wow, you made all of this?
We made it together, Dad.
This is amazing. What do you have on the menu?
We have burgers, French fries, and juice.
1 burger and fries, please.
Yay!
Welcome to Tom's McDonald's.
This is delicious.
Really? Is it better than the real McDonald's?
It is better because you made it.
I helped too.
Yes, you did great. Thank you both.
This family is crazy. I love it.
Tom, are you sleeping?
No, Dad. I am writing my new plan.
A new plan? Again?
Yes, next time, a mini pizza restaurant.
Okay, but tell me first.
Okay, Dad. Good night.
Good night, Chef.
From useless to billionaire.
You are useless, Jake.
this. I drew a big building. One day, I want to make things like this.
Jake, stop drawing for now. You spend too much time on not enough time studying. I just worry that it may not lead anywhere.
But Dad, I like to make things. I think I can do it.
You can't. You are useless, Jake. Go study now.
Jake, don't give up. You are good at other things. You always have new ideas.
My father says I am not good at anything. He says I will have no future.
He is wrong, Jake. I believe in you.
Dad, I am leaving. I want to start my own company. I have a plan.
A company? You? That is very funny, Jake. You have no money. You have no skills.
I know it is hard, but I will try. I will work very hard every day.
You will fail. Come back when you learn your lesson.
Goodbye, Dad.
Hi.
Honestly, it is very difficult. I have no money. My first idea did not work.
Oh no. Do you want to come home?
No, I have a new idea now. It is about an app for small businesses. I think people need it.
That sounds great. I know you can do it.
Jake, I looked at your app. It is very interesting. How many people use it now?
Right now, 50,000 people use it every month, and it is growing fast.
Wow, that is very good. I want to invest in your company. I can give you $5 million.
Thank you, Mr. Collins. I will use the money well. I promise.
Today we talked to Jake Mitchell. He is 30 years old. His company is now worth $1 billion. Jake, how did you do it?
I worked hard every day. I failed many times. But I never stopped. I always believed in my dream.
That is my son. Jake, I saw you on TV. I am sorry. I was wrong about you. I said bad things. I am very sorry.
Dad, your words were hard, but they made me stronger. I wanted to show you I can do it.
I am proud of you, son. I really am.
Thank you, Dad. That means a lot to me. Now let's have coffee together.